Hi, John here from POIS, just giving you a quick demonstration of the POIS 60S indicator and having a nice session here today. So far, a mix of a few 5-minute trades, mostly 30-second. Having a nice run here, 4 in a row, and yeah, at most third entry on most of the trades today. It's been a nice day today, as you can see. I had a bit of a rough start earlier on. It was a beautiful run here on taking some signals against a really strong trend, but I was able to pull it out, as you can see here. I was in New Zealand USD, had reached 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 entries, and took the win on the 6th entry, and then another one because I forgot that it was actually a different amount there. It was supposed to be 320, but it was 160, then I was supposed to do 330 or so, but I did 175, and then I had a couple other couple of 1-minute trades. So it was actually 3 in a row 1-minute trades that I scout, 4 in a row. Alright, so yeah, overall it's been a good session today after that getting bitten by fighting the strong trend. So I decided to start doing more 60-second trades and just being aware of SR to be able to avoid getting bitten by those long legs. So as you can see here, that was the New Zealand USD earlier. It was just an incredibly long uptrend. And you can even see here in the 30-minute chart, it was just pretty much the whole day is just booming up. So when you got those really strong trends like that, you just got to be careful about taking the 5-minute trades against the trend. But there is some beautiful POIS JW signals with the trend as well. And there's other ones like this, so you want to watch out for, either 60-second scalp or just pass on the trade. So it was one of those days. Alright, so let's see how I can continue here. We got New Zealand USD call 60 seconds. Looks like it's hitting some major resistance here. The boom may be over. So I'm just going to wait and see what happens on the next candle. It's the beauty of that we've added the candle timers, so you can wait sometimes to see where the momentum will pick up at the entry of the next candle. And then sometimes you can see, boom, there's a counter signal. Or is it going to keep going up? You can just take a look at what's happening. So I'm going to go ahead and just take the put. So it did give a pop there, but it hit a lot of resistance. So I'm going to take this and be ready for a re-entry call if it continues to go up and gives me a call signal. But it is actually coming off of the channel here, channel line. Alright, so we got odd USD put. Looks like this is following the little bit of a head and shoulders formation here. Head, shoulders, heading back down. Brazilian USD not going down yet till now. Looking strong on the upside, so I'm going to looking like it's going to be a call. Should have taken it right at the exit, at the expiry here. But we'll see what happens. Sometimes it's good to take at expiry. Sometimes you gotta wait a second to see if there's going to be a counter signal. Usually the movement of the pairs tends to go together. The pairs tend to boom or bust against USD or Euro or whatever it is the case. Not always, definitely not always. So you got odd USD call, that was already there in the money. CLN USD. That's bouncing off of the channel line. Plus the RSI, so. Might be a channel breaker though. Just waiting for a signal here. There it is, they sound USD put. Coming off of a channel bounce as well as a high RSI and awesome oscillator, very strong signal there. Could have been a good 4x scalp right there as well. 25 pips. Deep in money. So that's how you do your re-entries. Just gotta time it, wait for a signal, making sure it makes sense on the chart. Go for it. USD call. The lines are very close together here. Trend line and these two lines, so it's a bit sketchy trading right now. Alright, USD JPY put. Lines are also very close together. So I'll go ahead and try to scalp 60 seconds instead of 5 minutes. See on USD call. Euro JPY call. USD JPY in the money, as well as AUD. CLN USD is out of the money. So let's look for a, oops, sliding into the money. No need for re-entry on that one. Those two, in fact. Glad I didn't get in the re-entry on that one. Although it probably would have been in the money anyway, but there are times when the re-entry ends up being a loss. In such cases. Boom, in the money. Beautiful run there. So that's why I encourage my customers to invest much more than the minimum of the broker. Because in this case,